Here is an Olympia typewriter, SM-9. It has a extra wide carriage, so you can actually put paper in lengthwise, and of course widthwise also. It was made in late 60s, early 70s. There's some slight wear here. It's a little shinier. Some of the keys, you can see they've been hit a lot and used over the last 40 years. How about 50 years? But I've cleaned up this machine. I've cleaned the strike keys here, cleaned the surface all the way around. I took out the platinum, the rubber roller, and sanded it down and put some rubber rejuvenator on it. It has your tab key here, and then over on this side is the release. You got tab, release, release, then you go the other way again, and then you have also tab set. This is a lock, a lever lock for the carriage, so when you push it forward, the carriage locks into place and doesn't move, especially when you're transporting it. None of the keys go all the way up. There's a paper support that pops up, and the back side here, little wear here, minor stuff from being in the case. All in all, it's a very clean typewriter. This is the line spacer 1, 2, and 3, and then no line where no line, it will spin freely. Margins up here, the left and right margins. This is it. It's a very clean machine. Olympia typewriters just were made for daily use. They just work and work and work. So thank you for watching this video.